It's been raining like crazy the past couple of weeks, basically, and now we finally down on a really clear day at Trafalgar Beach on the Saturday, the 5th of April. And doesn't she look lovely? I'll meet you down there. I was walking down here and the sun came out, and the beach looks good, and there's people on the beach. It's always nice to see people on the beach. Even if the waves are pretty hectic, but it's still nice to see. Let's go down there. Although the sun is intermittent, there is sun at least, but there is also menacing looking clouds down up Ramsgate side down there. But the beach does look good as always. Impactful. I'm glad to see it. Everyone loves this beach. This is one of the best beaches on the KZN Southwest. And now we have some beautiful sunlight. The beach is actually fairly clean today. Normally quite often there's a bunch of logs and that on the beach. But it's clear for miles ahead of us. Well, it's only about 2 kilometers to the next beach. But it's clear and very nice. Look at that water. Down at the old Trafalgar Tide Pool. Across that beautiful ocean. And then down to the main beach, the main swimming beach. Such a beautiful view from here. Yeah, Trafalgar Beach is the best. I gotta love it. Now on the other side of Trafalgar Beach, this part goes on for 2 kilometers, way down that way to Glenmore. This is pristine and open, very nice. And there are some holiday makers down there. You can't see them in the picture. It's nice. So they're obviously from the Karen Park, which is behind the dunes.